This is Captain Roach of the Federation Starship Acadia, broadcasting on Starfleet Emergency Frequency 8647. By order of Starfleet Command, in accordance with the Articles of the Federation, I am calling for the immediate removal of the President. He is mentally compromised. And now, I don't have a CMO yet. However, I do have an EMH. Computer, activate the doctor.
Please state the nature of the medical emergency.
So, until I get a CMO, I'm going to have my EMH compile articles of impeachment towards the president based on his mental failings. 25th Amendment time, folks. He needs to be removed. Anyway, stay strong, Starfleet. Look out for one another. Keep pushing back. Anyway, we're going to get through it together. Stay strong. Captain Roach out.